Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham White River Junction. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi and rooms with a cable TV, this White River Junction hotel offers on-site laundry facilities for its guests. The Main Street Museum, right on the White River, is just 1.2 miles away. A coffee machine, seating area and air conditioning are provided in each room at the Super 8 White River Junction. Private bathrooms are provided as well, and come with free toiletries and a hairdryer. A 24-hour reception welcomes guests to the White River Junction Super 8. A business center with fax and photocopying facilities is available as well. Parking is provided on site, free of charge. The Fore-U Golf Center, featuring mini golf, a 9-hole golf course and batting cages, is just 6 minutes drive from Super 8 White River Junction. Hanover Country Club is 10 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.